Hey guys, USIP Studios here, back with another video in our King Nightmares playlist. This is the final video of our series. In this video I will be showing you guys how to get the Deja Vu achievement, which can be earned by getting the same ending 2 times in a row. As you can see here, I currently have the good ending, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same process as demonstrated within the good endings video and get it again. Once you have acquired the key, go ahead and click on the door, and you will see the Deja Vu achievement will appear right there. And the Deja Vu achievement will also appear on the main menu, which you can hover over to get details about it. With that all said and done, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and other stuff like that for more videos like these. As always, see you guys all in the next one. Stay safe, and peace.